Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today on our Not Your Usual Turon series is Manila's Turon Banana Rhuma. This kind of turon is created and popularized by Mr. Edwin Vergara, better known to many as Mang Tootz. Just like the classic turon, the banana is wrapped in lumpia wrapper but smaller. And what makes this turon special is the caramel sauce. It is a combination of rum, pineapple juice, cinnamon, and many more ingredients. If you want to know how to make this kind of turon please continue watching and I will show you how to do it. Let's start by prepping the ingredients. Using kitchen scissors, I cut the large lumpia wrapper. Then the paste is a combination of cornstarch and flour, and the banana. One banana will be sliced into 4 slices. This will make a small turon. Then wrap the saba or tie bananas and seal the end with the paste, and do this with the rest of the bananas. Fry all the bananas until golden brown and crunchy. After frying, put in a strainer, allow to drip the excess oil to stay crunchy. Let's make the special coating sauce. In a pan, put the margarine, the jackfruit, mix until the margarine melted. Add the banana flavor, then the cinnamon powder, mix, then add the banana essence, then the rum. Allow the strong smell of the rum evaporates before adding the pineapple juice. Add the pineapple juice and cook well the jackfruit, and allow the liquid to reduce before adding the brown sugar. Regularly, check the syrup. If it's forming a thread-like syrup, then you can add the fried bananas. It's time to put the banana. Go, go! Finally! Before serving, sprinkle with combinations of powdered milk, sugar, and cinnamon powder. Snacks first!
Wow.
Eat!
Can I try one?
Yeah, this banana rama.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, get your plate.
I have my gun.
Alright. Try one.
Let me get one with the thing.
Okay. Alright. How is it?
Mama, that's number one. I love it.
You love that one?
Yeah, it's so good. Oh my God. My goodness. So delicious as usual. Thank you. I like these ones here because it's got a sauce on it.
Sesame seed.
Yum, yum. Thank you.
Kaya me, please try this kind of turon. It's easy to make and yummy. Happy Sunday everyone!